If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not, then you know it's me, your girl Shondell, the creator of the craft print. And I'm here to show you the new option that's in Cricut Design Space, which is the monogram option. Look at that here. Look at that here. Right here on the left. So we're going to click on it. So creating monograms now has become very simple, but I got to point out that you need to have access in order to use this option. Not sure what Cricut Access is? Well, I'm going to show it to you because you know I got you. So let's get out of here for a quick second. Go over to Cricut's website, and this is the difference between the free plan, the standard Cricut Access, and the premium Cricut Access. So once you purchase a Cricut machine, you already have these free design perks, which is a little over 1,000 images, 15 fonts, a la carte digital purchases, 250 ready-to-make projects, and up to 5 collections. Now, with your standard, which is $9.99 a month and $95.88 per year, you're going to get unlimited use of over 200,000 images, 700 fonts. You also get 10% off of licensed images, which are your characters, like your Disney characters. You know, we have to pay for those images and SVGs. You get 10% off of those. Thousands of ready-made projects. That's great for people who just want to craft for fun, or you don't feel like designing and having to take all that time to create something from scratch. Cricut have projects that's ready to go, already sized for you. Now, unlimited collections. If you're not sure what a collection is in Design Space, I'll show you that at the end of the video. But believe you me, you want unlimited collections. It's going to make your life so much easier. You'll also get 10% off your Cricut.com purchases, including your machines. But with the premium, you're also getting 20% off all of your material, free economy shipping on orders $50 or more. You see that $119 a year. So whether you have standard or premium, you still can use the monogram option. So we're going to go into that. So if you're still kind of iffy and not sure, it really depends on how much you use Cricut's images and projects. If you use them a lot or often, then you get it. If not, and you're one of those people who upload your own SVGs, you create your own SVGs, or you purchase SVGs and just upload your own images, you probably won't need that unless now you want to use this monogram option we're using today. You need your access. So you're going to punch in your initials at the top here. I already did because I was playing around with this ahead of time. You have options of modern, elegant, handwritten, and vintage. So you can scroll and see the different types that they have here. Most of them, not all, like see this one, there aren't any options to kind of decorate it, but for this one there is. So you can choose these and give a little extra razzle dazzle to your monogram. These are great for like tumblers and keychains. Take all the design work out of it. See that? When you go to elegant, a lot of them have the same options. And you go and create your stuff. Also, over here, I like this part here, the thematic ones here. Look at that. Botanical, decorative, occasion, interest, and sports. We're just going to scroll through them really quickly. Look at these. Come on now. Ain't it cute? Ain't it cute? Look at the occasions. Graduation, Valentine's Day, birthday, the engagement, your first tooth. Cute. Even sports. Look at that. So cute. And right here, it's just choosing your operation, basically what you're going to do. Are you going to cut or draw? Choose a little cut here. Let's go back to a classic one right here, and I'm just going to put it. So that's it. You change it to the size that you need. Cricut want to stress me out today. All right, there we go. There we go. For a minute there. I know y'all got scared with me because I was not in the mood for no craziness. So we're going to send it to our mat. You just make it in the size that you want. Here, because I have the Explore 3 that I'm using, it's giving me the options for that mat. So we're going to be on the mat. And that's it. You just cut and send your project to your mat. But remember, if you're making a t-shirt or a bag, anything that requires either your infusible ink or your heat transfer vinyl, you're going to click on mirror right here. Don't forget to mirror those. Have to be mirrored, then cut, and then pressed on. And that's it. That's how simple it is now to create your own monogram in Cricut Design Space. If you do create something, tag me if you have an Instagram. Tag me on Instagram. I love to see you guys' projects and what you're up to, especially when you do something that I post about. I love it. And I do share it as well. The Craft Print on Instagram. Easy to find me. Now, remember I told you about collections? I want to go over that real quickly with you and show why I think unlimited amount of collections is a great idea instead of 5. Now, depending on what you do, these are all my projects. Like, I've been using Cricut for, I'm trying to figure out the amount of years. I think it's been 8 years now. So all of those designs are still here. I think I got all the way to the bottom. No, I didn't. See, more designs. So when you're searching for something you've done a long time ago, it's going to take you a while to go through all of that. It's a little tedious. So that's where our collections come in handy. You can just name it, and then with each one, I'm going to cancel. When you click on the 3 dots, you can go to Edit Collection. And right here, you choose which collection you want it to be in. If you didn't create a collection, you could do it straight from here as well. And then they all end up on the left side of your screen here when you click on my projects. And you could just choose and everything is here. So now it's more organized. If I know I'm looking for a poppet cake topper or a poppet project, I have all of them here. If I'm looking for a donut project, just click on donuts, and it makes it easier for you to access your stuff instead of scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. See how easy that is? My Jordan boxes, all the stuff for boxes here, cake toppers, my Jordan cupcake toppers. So everything is nice and organized. And that's it, guys. So you do want collections. If you are someone who uses monograms, this is an amazing, amazing feature. I don't know what I'm putting my monogram on, but I'm putting it on something. It's going to be a shirt, cup, a little bit of everything. Guys, also, don't forget, if you're on Instagram, head over there and give me a follow at The Craft Print. Every Thursday, I go live hosting a new project. Well, not a new project. Let's see. How are we going to put that? So every day, I go live. Every Thursday. See, I'm all tongue-tied today. I don't know what's happening. I might need some rest. Y'all make sure y'all tag me in your project so it can cheer me up, because obviously my mood ain't that great today. But like I said, on Instagram, I go live every Thursday. See, I got that right this time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with another crafter that comes on and teaches us a new craft project. So I have things saved in my highlights on Instagram there. It's from paper crafting. We have blinging, t-shirt making, a little bit of everything over there. So don't forget to follow. I'll have all of my social media handles in the comments for you guys to just click on. And that's it for today. Happy monogramming.